This washer was removed because of it vibrates so much during the spinning cycle. So what I did was to remove this whole thing and put a new one, which is this one right here. I'm going to replace this parts inside, which is located according to the specs right here behind this cover. So that's what I'm gonna do today as one of my project. So I remove this cover. There's two in front here. Then remove all the screws here at the back, so you have a better access. This one too, and this one, so you have better access. And replace the whole thing. I'll show you later. Okay, bye. So I remove the screw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and pull this out a little bit. There you go. And maybe, yeah, remove this right here. Remove this, or maybe let it hang. But I say removed it. Be a lot easier. After removing the cover at the back, just remove the screws here, 1 and 2. After removing the 2 screws, just lift it up, just to get so you can lift it up using, because this is the one that lock this cover in place. So remove this one, lift it up like that, then slowly pull it up. There you go, and slide it down a little bit so you have a room to remove the cover. And maybe I have to remove this 1, 2, and 3 screws in there. Okay. After removing these 3 screws right here, I found I need to remove this one also, just to be sure. Right there, 1 here and 1 on that side. And I'm just gonna let this one hang in there, just like this. Should be okay. I might have to remove these 2 bolts also, 2 screws also at the back, and this one too right here, just to make sure everything will come out easily. I think I just have to do this one side at a time. Here's what it looks like. I have to replace this 4 set right here, 1, 2, 3, and 4 over there, and simply by sliding it out. So this is the best way I can do it. So not totally remove, but it's the best way to do it. So I'm just going to replace those 2. Okay, make it easier, a lot faster. Okay, so I replace everything back. I'm just going to reassemble this one back, and it seems like, not sure though, but we'll see. Find out. I'm gonna spin it around, see what happens. Okay, bye. Time to reassemble it back. We got everything put back together, so hopefully it works. So far it's been good, so we'll see what happens. And the old one is here, the one that I take off. it's working good. Hope this helped. Thank you all for watching.